Welcome to the Bachelor of Science in Health Administration degree program from California State University, Northridge. The Bachelor of Science in Health Administration degree opens the door to a variety of career options. CSUN's Bachelor of Science in Health Administration program features include a diverse, student-focused environment with small class sizes, engaged, experienced faculty from multidisciplinary backgrounds, afternoon and evening classes available year-round for working students, zero-cost course materials and textbooks starting fall 24 for maximum affordability, and practical work experience through high-profile internship partners. Here is what some of our students say about CSUN's Bachelor of Science in Health Administration degree program.
I would describe the program to someone that is considering applying as very hands-on. I really admire that the faculty have been in every avenue of the healthcare industry, so they give their personal hands-on experience.
One of the most outstanding benefits from the program that exceeded my expectations is the connections you make. Till this day, I have classmates who are in group chats with for group projects that I still connect with, and I'm still connected with through LinkedIn. Being able to still talk to my professors to this day, ask them questions, get advice, and seek out their help is one of the greatest benefits I got from this program, aside from the great education.
So I chose the Bachelor's in Health Admin because I was actually in a different career path before I started with CSUN. And when I didn't feel like that really was quite suited for me, but I still wanted to be part of healthcare in general. I met a student here who was in the health admin program. She said that the professors were great, the educational program and all of the process was amazing. It really sold it for me to try to still be involved in healthcare and be just the administrative side.
In addition to helping you develop industry knowledge and core career skills, our health administration courses will teach you how to manage people, how the health system works, the importance of cultural humility, the basics of health planning and marketing, and the foundations of leadership, collaboration, and interprofessionalism. Fully certified by the Association of University Programs in Health Administration, this high-demand undergraduate program prepares future leaders for a wide range of healthcare management careers in a multitude of settings. To learn more about CSUN's Bachelor of Science in Health Administration program, including requirements, how to apply, and financial aid, visit our website or scan the QR code. The CSUN Bachelor of Science in Health Administration degree. Future healthcare leaders start here.